YouTubers JD Cap 26 here. We're just doing the repairs and tips, and we're doing ant trap baits. I've got little ants in where my kitchen is and underneath the cabinets. I highly suggest the terro ones. The terro ones, even if you don't use them, they'll last 6 months in the package. And the way you use these, you pull them out and you cut them off with a scissor. You can't twist them off like they tell you in the instructions on the other side. But they're working very well. I'll show you over here. There's little buggers right there. They're going up to the trap, and I dipped a little bit out of the trap onto the what do you call it, counter, some liquid. If you have kids or pets around, please do not do that. Okay, and what they do is they take a little bit of the juice from the terra and they bring it back to the nest and they feed it to everybody, and even the queen gets it and they all croak. And that's how you get rid of the nest. They're very social type of insect, the ant. So that's why they're good guys. They bring food back. So if you want to get rid of your ants, it should take about 2 or 3 days, this process. Get the terra. That's my recommendation. I hope this helps you. Please rate and subscribe, and have a great day.